got breakfast. I got some boiled eggs. Some boiled eggs and some bacon. Boo got omelet and some toast and some hash browns. We went to Mr. Mama's. So, make sure y'all hit them up. But this should look good. I think that y'all see how the rocks are two different colors? I really think the water level will be up there because it's a little too perfect all the way around. And it definitely makes sense. Y'all see that color change? Definitely, like that water be high as shit. Like high as shit. All over here. Yeah, they got the crabs. Look at the dice inside. Yeah, we on the strip right now. Look at them Jones inside. You see this big ass chandelier, y'all? We in the Cosmo right now. Me and Brie got the same thing because that's gonna be bomb as shit. We got strawberry with the electric lemonade. What's your name?
I'm Holly.
Holly. Make sure y'all go check out Holly when y'all come here. Yeah, she's lit as fuck. That bitch lit. Ah, that's my... I know that's right. Y'all, look at all the stores. Come on, baby boy.
That joke was tough.
Yeah. Come on, baby boy. He was doing it. He was into it too. He said, "Look."
Yeah, look at twin. Look at twin.
I missed it. I was looking. I didn't see it.
Get that bill ready there, Josh. Get that money ready.
Wow. We found the flamingos in the flamingo habitat. You can smell their ass in the damn casino, okay, bitch? You can smell them. Oh my God! Look at the flamingos. They said it was open too. Look at them. Hey y'all.